Okay, so I guess you call this a little bit of a product review. I bought these sewing clips, little sewing clip kit, bam, off of Amazon. I'll put the link to them and stuff in the video, but regardless, I do a lot of work with stretch materials, spandex, lycra. I make wrestling gear for the most part, and I use a lot of pins. So I seen these, and they're supposed to replace pins. So I bought these. I think this little set was only like $7, if that. And I got 40 of them in there. It was on sale. They're really springy. They've got a good grip to them, but I'm using them on this set of tights that I'm doing. Kind of spaced out, but you can see here, but the way these go on is pretty simple and pretty. You can pinch them and slide them too if need be. Come off, come on. I like these actually a lot better than the pins. I've been using pins for several years, and these little clips, I know it's a silly thing, this little $7 set of clips has saved me a lot of time and headache. So, and when you're sewing on the machine with them, it's pretty easy to just slide them off or slide them down if you want to keep the clip on. There's times I've just slid the clip down as I'm sewing, and it helps keep everything lined up and keeps my seams together. Like I said, I'm sewing these tights together, these wrestling tights, and even when I ran them through the serger, I clipped the liner together with the main material, and it held everything in place. Like, they've got some good grip, and they've got a flat side to them and a rounded side. So the flat side sits and goes along your sewing table, nice and smooth. But yeah, these have been great. Like I said, I got these off Amazon. There's a number of places that sell them. I'm more like Walmart and Joann's and this and that probably has them. I buy everything off Amazon half the time, but like case in point. So when I'm going to go and work on these tights, I've got my machine set up. I don't have to worry about getting jabbed either, or the pins sliding out, because sometimes with this slicker stretch material and spandex, my pins would slide out. So I use these on kind of a satin type material also, and it made a huge difference. And so yeah, as I'm sewing along, I can just take these and either slide it down or slide them off, pop them over here. And I found it's easy too, to where if I need to pop one back on, it's easy to line stuff up and slide it back into place instead of sliding the pin through. And I don't jab holes in my fabric, so that's been a big plus too. This kind of thicker material, I'll make that leave the setting. My cat's tearing stuff up. And I'm going to run this through the serger too. So, again, I serged my stuff a couple times. Not too shabby. These things pop right off. So yeah, these little Amazon clips, or little sewing clips. So I got these off of Amazon. They got different sizes too. These were more of like a medium size. They have smaller ones and they have big ones. But like I said, I'll find the link to them and put it in the description of the video. And if you guys want to check them out, feel free. And if you guys end up getting some of these, let me know how they work out for you. All right, thanks.